everyone, Candy Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a review of a halo hair extension piece from the company called Goo Goo Hair. Now, just a disclaimer, this product was sent to me complimentary. I'm not being paid in any way to make this video, or I don't make any sales commissions at all. This is strictly an honest review. So we're going to do an unboxing review, and I'm going to do a little installation on how to apply the halo hair piece. If you haven't already done so, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel by hitting the red button down below, as well as that bell icon. That way you get notified when I post any new videos. So if you don't know what a halo hair extension piece is, we will get into all that, and I will explain exactly why it's a little bit more beneficial than your traditional clip-in hair extensions. But first, let's talk about the packaging. First off, this is some gorgeous packaging. I love the flower petal detail on the box here, and this beautiful gold embossed logo. And it comes in this cute little hat box style box, I guess you would say. I don't know. I just think it's absolutely a beautiful packaging. I opened up the box, and the company was very gracious enough to send me a few little goodies inside my package. So we have this beautiful white hair scrunchie. They also sent me a hair clip here, which is really great for when you need to separate your hair. It's going to make the installation process a lot easier. They also sent me a beautiful pair of eyelashes, fake eyelashes, so can't wait to do a photo with these. And they also did send in some extra fishing line, like hair wire, and some clips as well. Also included in the box is your instruction manual and also a lifetime hair accessory replacement guarantee. And I love when companies do that because it just shows they really take their product seriously. Also got this beautiful, cute silk bag. So this is a good storage bag for your hair. It's just going to keep your hair tangle free and make it last longer. So this is the halo hair piece. First off, I'm noticing something a little bit extra special about this halo hair extension. I have tried ones in the past, so I will explain in a minute what I'm noticing different about this one. So first off, let's talk about the texture and feel of the hair. This is super, super soft, feels like amazing quality. It's absolutely beautiful. This is, I believe, 20 or 22 inches. I can't remember, but either way, it's super long and beautiful. They have a variety of lengths you can choose from, and I believe this is like the blonde balayage. So far, just looking at my hair color, I would say it is a pretty good match. So what exactly is a halo hair extension? It's basically one long piece of hair attached to a clear fishing line wire. Now, normally when you order traditional clip-in hair extensions, you get about 5 to 7 separate pieces that you all have to clip into your hair. So this is just one simple piece. But what makes this one extra special compared to the other extensions that I have tried in the past is, in addition to the wire, this one also has the clips as well to add extra grip into your hair, so it'll help stay in nicely. A lot of times some other halo hair pieces tend to slip or not stay in place, so I do like that they have these extra hair clips here to add extra security. Now, if you're somebody that really doesn't know how to put in clip-in hair extensions, then a halo hair extension piece is your best option because it is super, super simple. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install a halo hair extension. Now, there are probably two simple ways that you can apply the extension. So the first one is you could just lay it directly over your head like so. And then you can take one of these pointed combs here, and you just kind of go right above the wire and start pulling out your own natural hair. And it'll just lay right over top of that wire. Now, sometimes your hair can, get tangled and tied up in the wire doing it this way. So I'm going to show you an even quick and easier way. So this is where the hair clip is going to come in handy. So you are just going to separate your hair just slightly above your ears, and we are going to clip that up. And then we take our halo hairpiece and we just lay that right over top and then let down your hair clip. So then you just brush it out all nice. Once you have it brushed out and in place, you're just going to go ahead and wiggle those clips into your own hair so that they grip, and then snap those into place. So super quick and easy installation that literally took like probably what, like less than 2 minutes, and you don't even see where the extension is because that wire is clear, so it stays hidden. This is the perfect solution for those who don't like the clip-in hair extensions, and personally it's way better and healthier for your hair. It's less damage for your hair, and it literally feels light as a feather, so very comfortable to wear. And just how easy it was to install, it's just as quick and easy to take out as well. So all you do is you unclip everything. It's seriously like a magic trick. Unclip and then pull, and voila. So I personally like to wear halos or hair extensions because my hair is super, super thin. So I like to have some extra volume rather than length. I do like the length because it is super, super dramatic, but my hair is a little bit shorter now. So it makes it harder to blend when it's straight. So you can see a little bit of my natural hair. So a really great trick and solution to help your hair blend in better with the extension is just to curl it. Honestly, when you curl your extensions and your hair, it blends everything so much more seamlessly and you don't notice a difference. There's so many other ways that you can also style your halo. You can put it back in a ponytail, you can wrap it into a bun, you can braid it. There's so many endless options. Okay, so my final thoughts and review on Goo Goo Halo hair extension hairpiece, A+. I would highly recommend this. Love it. Feels amazing, super quick installation, and they do want me to let you guys know they are going to be having a huge Black Friday sale starting November 18th to the 30th, where you can get 20% off of this hairpiece, and you're also going to get a free color matching sample. Like I said, I don't make any commissions or anything off of that, so honest review, definitely get this, highly recommend. So I've actually set some hair goals for myself and been wanting to grow my hair super, super long, which is obviously going to take years. So this is the perfect option to tide me over in the meantime. I just can't stop playing with it. It's so soft. All right, guys, that's it for the review. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Like I said, all links will be down below. Check out some of my other review videos as well. And if you do want to see any of my beauty or my fashion looks, make sure you are following me on my social media at candydawnamber. And I will see you guys next time.